Chinese President Xi Jinping inspected northwest China's Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region from June the 19th to the 20th, right after his trip to Qinghai Province. Situated in the Yellow River Basin, Ningxia is surrounded by deserts on 3 sides and faces the daunting task of conserving and restoring ecosystems. After listening to the report of the Regional Committee of the Communist Party of China and the regional government on their work, Xi underscored the ecological conservation and high-quality development of the Yellow River Basin and asked Ningxia to coordinate high-quality development with high-level environmental protection, further reform and opening up, advance new urbanization and rural revitalization, and promote ethnic unity and common prosperity. There's a significant ethnic minority presence in Ningxia. Xi went to a multi-ethnic residential community in the region's capital city, Yinchuan, where over 38% of the community's 18,000 residents are from ethnic minority groups like Hui, Manchu, Mongolia, and Tibetan. She was pleased to see the residents living harmoniously and happily together. She went to the community service center and an activity room where he watched residents practice paper cutting and dancing and talked with them. He called for thorough, detailed, and concrete efforts to address urgent needs and concerns of the residents and deliver high-quality services to the people. He then visited the home of resident Zhao Shoucheng, where he chatted with the Zhao family to learn more about things related to employment, income, medical insurance reimbursement, and children's education. When speaking to the community residents, Xi said the Chinese nation is a big family and called for continued efforts to foster a strong sense of community for the Chinese nation and pull strength from all sectors to advance Chinese modernization. Follow Xi to China and to the world.